888-7663 Stellar Roofing.
Good morning. This is Kevin. I'm a project manager at Stellar Roofing. Today we're driving around. We're just going to bring you by a couple of the projects we have going on today. I have a good one. It's a basic roof out in South Rochester where we had quite a few issues. The homeowner had some rotted fascia. All their boards on the back of their roof was sinking in, causing structural damage. We are putting on a burgundy standing seam metal roof. Customer is very excited about it. Here at Stellar we have the wrong way and then there's the Stellar way. Stellar goes over every fine detail with a fine-tooth comb, and we have our own machine that we print each panel individually for each job. We have multiple machines, multiple crews. Each job that we have running, Stellar has a project manager to overwatch that has minimum about 10 to 15 years experience in the roofing industry. That's just so that every project we go on, we overwatch and make sure the crews do everything properly. We are pulling up to the job here now. So here on this job, what you see is our guys are ripping off. We already previously ripped off all the rotted fascia board. We redecked the whole roof. We use the best of the best ice and water, the only underlayment that is waterproof that any company puts on in the Rochester area. We have it specially imported for your protection. Here they are re-wrapping with metal around the whole fascia boards. We have our metal machine over here ready to print panels where we will run standing seam up and down the roof. Here in the back of this project, the roof was bowing and sinking in, and we had to notify the customer immediately and let them know that we had to raise the roof, make everything level again so that the standing seam can sit properly, so you have a long life out of each product we put on your home. In the back, we are also doing shingled roofing. There is another home that the homeowner owns in the back. We will be doing shingles next week for that homeowner as well. So now we're up on the roof. Right here, this is our imported underlayment, the only waterproof underlayment you can get in the market. This whole deck for this customer had popped sheets. The shingles were old style 3-in-1 shingles. When you stepped on them, they fell right out of the roof. So we removed the whole roof, replaced all of his decking, all of his sheets. Right here, the customer had a pre-existing exhaust vent for a furnace he no longer needed. We removed it, refinished it, secured it with ice and water. So this customer specifically wanted a burgundy standing seam roof. So on average, each job takes a few hours to do the tear off. If we have to redeck your roof, it's a few more hours, but on average we have your whole roof ripped off, prepped with ice and water and underlayment the first day, have it ready for metal standing seam the next day. Each standing seam job varies, but the more intricate of a job we have to do, it could take 4 days at most. But on average, we finish each standing seam job within 2 days. One of the advantages of going with Stellar is we treat every home as it's our own. I've been in the industry for 15 years, worked for many contractors. Every job site needs to be cleaned up thoroughly. We wrap every home with tarps from top to bottom. We protect all your plants. We build teepees around every bush, every plant, protect all your windows and screens. On a Stellar job, you will never find a nail in your grass, in your driveway. We take pride in these projects as they are our homes. We want, at the end of every job, for you to come home, find your beautiful new roof, and act like we were never here.
Hey, thanks for visiting our channel. If you see anything that you like, let us know. Give us a thumbs up. If there was something that you didn't like, why don't you go ahead and keep that to yourself? Just kidding. You can give us a a little comment in the bottom and let us know what we're doing great and what you'd like to see in the future. Any future videos you'd like to see from us, we definitely want to hear from you and address those. And we hope you enjoyed your time here with Stellar Roofing.